How to run Google gsutil using Python. After installing and configuring Google Cloud SDK, gsutil command can be run by simply typing its name and the argument s using Windows CMD. Here is the example. C:\program files x86 Google Cloud SDK Google Cloud SDK bin cloud version. But the same command fails if run using Python subprocess. With subprocesses shell argument set to true, the import error occurs. With subprocesses shell argument set to false, then the Windows error column, error 2, the system cannot find the file specified occurs. Is there a way to run gsutil on Windows using Python?
Note that the proper and official way to interact with Google Cloud Storage is to make use of the Google Cloud Client library for Python, and not running the gsutil command through subprocess.popen. If you are not setting up merely some tests, I would suggest you to follow from the beginning this way if there is not any technological constraint that makes this way impracticable. You can check at the following links the relative overview and documentation. A small example taken from the documentation can be the following. You can find a further example here using Google Cloud Python with the data store and cloud storage to manage expenses.
Use shuttle.which to get the full path to gsutil in a cross-platform manner.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.